So here we have the Ford Fiesta on a 66 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have plenty of boot space along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then we'll hop in, and as I said, we'll just run through a few of the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. The fuel gauge in the middle at the bottom, and above that, the main trip computer, which includes the total miles of this car. They are 64,644. You can change the information that's displayed in that section by pressing a button on the end of the indicator stalk for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy info. If you back out to the steering wheel, we have our stereo and phone controls, and over in the center, the stereo itself, and all the buttons that you will need to be able to operate the things on the stereo screen here. So you can see we have FM radio. Every push of the radio button will give you a different wave band. So we've got DAB available to us. We've also got AM as well. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do so via the CD player. We've also got Bluetooth audio, so you can connect up your phone. And we've got USB input. Of course, pairing your phone is easy. Press the phone button, follow the instructions on screen from there. And this car's got satellite navigation as well. Let's say all of that is accessed with these buttons. We have the main volume for the stereo just here. Deadlock, so you can lock and unlock the car doors from the outside. And then below that, the air conditioning. You can adjust the fan speed, the direction of the air, the temperature, of course. The air conditioning is on at the moment, so that's off. Back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set just here. Below that, you can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. You can turn that system off just as easily as that. We have a 5-speed manual gearbox and then a 12-volt charging socket and USB input. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.